Here's a rhyming song or poem idea for your own welcome sign. You can sing it or display it as part of the sign's designs. Welcome, welcome, come on in, where love and joy begin. Flowers bloom and greenery sways to brighten up your day. Step inside, feel the cheer. A warm hello is waiting here. With petals soft and colors bright, this sign welcomes you tonight. So take a seat, enjoy the view. This floral welcome's just for you. Let the magic fill the air and know you're cherished beyond compare. Feel free to tweak the lyrics to match your event or theme. Feel free to tweak the lyrics to match your event or theme. Feel free to tweak the lyrics to match your event or theme. Feel free to tweak the lyrics to match your event or theme. Feel free to tweak the lyrics to match your event or theme. Feel free to tweak the